Are you looking to buy IQOO Neo 7 Pro 5G? Then you should watch this review video in which I'll be talking about 4 problems on this phone which can make you cry after buying this phone. Even though IQOO Neo 7 Pro comes with a 6.78 inches AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 3 cameras of 50 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel, the main highlight is on the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU. But most of the problems that I'm going to talk about in this video is because of this CPU and how it's connected to the phone. The first problem is motherboard issue that was seen in some IQOO Neo 7 Pros. So the user who shared this video had experienced this after installing a new software update. It seems like the update package is broken and because of which the phone went into a boot loop. But service center people were of the opinion that this is a motherboard issue and they were talking about changing the motherboard. The second problem is heating issue. As IQOO Neo 7 and IQOO Neo 7 Pro are basically having the same hardware designs, the heating issue on IQOO Neo 7 is present in IQOO Neo 7 Pro as well. This happens when you are playing heavy games, using the internet, using camera or using the phone outside in sunlight. The third problem is hanging problem that is especially seen in the 8GB RAM variants of IQOO Neo 7 Pro. Even though the CPU is powerful, it seems like the RAM and the other storage components are not that powerful enough to match with the CPU, because of which there are hangs and bottlenecks, especially in the low RAM variant like the 8GB RAM variant. This user had shared this video of how he was having a problem and the only solution was pressing the volume down button and power down button to force restart the phone. The fourth problem is something that can happen on IQOO Neo 7 Pro because this happened on some IQOO Neo 7s, especially in Indian climate. So far we have 2 examples of IQOO Neo 7s that had exploded when the phone was used for heavy purposes like gaming, charging and etc. When the battery became hot, the battery couldn't handle the heat and it exploded. So as basically the design of IQOO Neo 7 and IQOO Neo 7 Pro are almost the same, and even the batteries are same, there are chances that IQOO Neo 7 Pros can also explode if it's exposed to huge temperatures. Along with this, there are lots of bugs that are introduced in each software update. So people who are having IQOO Neo 7 Pro, you should decide whether you should install a new software update or not. Now if you have any questions or want to ask anything, please feel free to mention them in the comment section.